Hi, I'm Fleur. I am co-owner and Director of Operations of Gold Coast business Liena and Fleur. We are a clothing label. We're operating out of a 1,000 square metre factory site. We've got a very clear production team happening, which we are quite passionate about keeping Australian made. So we are about to install our automatic cutter. So manufacturing is very strong for us here. We are not offshore in any capacity. It's 100% owned and operated and manufactured within Australia. I encountered MGI through a local council initiative, which is the Growth Accelerator program. Very fortuitous crossing of paths here. MGI, we've been working with them now for I think two to 3 years. When you're actually learning and having to get your financial literacy, having someone that can actually talk to you in layman terms and to also not make you feel like you're an idiot, right? You know, you're off making things happen, but you still need to know this information. Very accessible, very human, very consistent and calm with the information that they share and help you evolve well. They were very hungry, I think, and motivated for the excitement of our industry too, from an accounting perspective. I'm only speaking for them here. But it's a fun and high growth area. So we wanted someone that would be on the journey with us and run at the pace that we're working at as well. The reason why we've engaged MGI and working directly with Z and Grant and also their extended team is they have a wealth of knowledge between them all, and it's a consistent message that we're getting from them. The breadth of experience that comes through from them too when we do our what if scenarios has been great and it's reassuring for our growth decisions that we make. Ultimately it falls on Liena and my shoulder, but these guys are behind us giving us true information and advice that just makes us feel a lot more braver when we do make the decisions. You know, we can call up, I can email through. It feels like we're their only customer, so, you know, which is nice. The challenges with managing finances within our business currently as well is just time to commit and to be deep dive into it. So, you know, there are lots of things out there that can help you kind of plug away from a compliance point of view. The guys meet with us bi-monthly to go through and run through and check in how we're going from our health of the business, which is great. And we can pull up and discuss anything that they've sort of flagged that has fluctuated or changed from the previous meeting. So therefore it's a very current and live sort of approach to the business. I'm in it day to day, but I'm just touching in and working at the cash flow through there. These guys are giving me big picture scenarios all the time that kind of go, if you continue down this path, this could happen. And so we can be more risk averse. MGI's approach to embracing high growth business, right? And so we're in an online platform, and even through government you can see that they're still playing catch up with what that looks like. These guys are open to it, very open-minded. They bring traditional practice still, because it obviously still is a compliance level that we have to do, but they're open to being creative, to sort of thinking how it applies to your business. So that's, I think, been a really key thing, to actually not having any boundaries or being limited to things. So again, it makes us brave to make big decisions, knowing that the guys get the picture as well. Everyone at MGI that we have had contact with offers exemplary service, exceptional service, and that's really important when you are dealing with something that you're not in every day, but you have to know and do, and it's at no time have I ever experienced someone sort of dropping the ball. I would recommend MGI to come on board with your company, especially if you want to grow, if you want to have someone who's right there behind you, helping you make informed decisions on to take your business to the next level. These guys will do that for you. It's taken the pressure of the seriousness of finances off our shoulders, knowing that we've got a team of experts behind us that will step up anytime we need them to.